This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL easily. First, understand that SQL, or structured query language, is essential for working with databases. Begin by grasping core commands such as select to retrieve data, from to specify tables, and where to filter results. Consistent practice is key to building proficiency and confidence in your SQL skills. To solidify your understanding, set up a local database environment. Tools like SQLite or PostgreSQL are excellent for hands-on practice. Focus on solving practical problems, such as joining multiple tables or aggregating data, to see how SQL applies to real-world scenarios. Engaging with online forums can also provide valuable insights and help you overcome challenges. Once you've mastered the basics, delve into more advanced SQL concepts. Subqueries, window functions, and stored procedures will significantly enhance your data manipulation capabilities. Also, understanding database normalization and indexing is crucial for optimizing query performance. Explore various join types, like left, right, and full outer, to handle complex data relationships effectively. Learning SQL is an ongoing journey, so stay curious and keep exploring new features and database advancements. Consider pursuing certifications to formally validate your skills, which can open up new career opportunities. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. Keep practicing and building your data skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.